Well, here we go. And yes, it did arrive in this condition, despite having the word fragile written on it. If you can quite see that. Yeah, it's just a single layer of brown paper with a tiny bit of bubble wrap. Look. Will it work? No idea. Let's get the power adapter out. At least it's a good start. This is a genuine compact one, not a Mickey Mouse one. What do we got? Blah 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 blah. Yep, 19 volts, 3.16 amps. We'll see if that matches the laptop. Oh look, some bubble wrap. Well, that's well, no battery, but then that's no biggie because it probably wouldn't have worked anyway. That plastic needs clipping back in. Don't know if that was how it was originally. I don't mean originally from when Compaq sold it, but I meant originally from the seller, from the listing. I don't remember it being like that, but doesn't mean it wasn't. Okay, well, that'll do for now. There we go. The dirty sticker there, so that needs a bit of a clean up. Look at that. It's got one of the original Celerons. Should have Windows 98 on it. It's a bit dusty, but you can't quite see the smiley face, so it's not too bad, is it? Right, now let's see if this power adapter works. I assume it's on the back. Yes, there it is. Ooh, blurry, blurry, blurry. Come on. It's supposed to be autofocus. Just here, look. There we go. Shove that in where it fits. What's the voltage on the bottom, does it say? Yep, 19 volts, 3.16 amps. That's correct. Right. Let's plug this in. Now, will it work? Oh, here fans. Yay! 2 beeps. Now, they're the ones that I would expect it to have because it's the standard check date and time settings. In other words, the CMOS battery, not surprisingly, is dead. So I'm going to go for F10 computer setup. There we go, 1999. You can't quite see that on there. Oh, it's got a 6 gig hard drive, obviously optical drive. Did they leave me a disc in? No, that wasn't very nice of them, was it? Stay. Right, let's see if it will load Windows. Bit noisy, perhaps the bearings need a bit of lubrication. Ooh, line across the screen. What's that say? Bad sectors on a Windows 98? Never. Ooh, scan disk. There's a blast from the past. Let's see if it will pass or not. What do you reckon? Probably about a third of the way, look. It's getting there. Come on, you know you want to. I don't remember it being like this. Cool, blimey. How long do you think this is going to take? You know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm going to quit. It'll be fine. Ooh, ooh. Admin. Well, there you go. It works.